guys, in today's recipe I'm sharing with you all my version for a soya pilau, and it's made with my favorite butter, Golden cooking butter, which is now available at all leading Latin and Caribbean supermarkets here in Florida. So let me show you guys how easy this dish is to put together. Okay guys, to make this soya pilau, I have my soya chunks that I soaked overnight, washed it out with some lime juice, squeezed out all of the liquid, and here we have it. So to this I'm going to add in some washed parboiled brown rice. This meal I'm making it so easy, it's just going to be everything in one, and then we cook it on the stove. So to that I'm going to go in with some chopped carrots. I'm going to add in some mini chopped bell peppers. I love the sweetness from this. It tastes different to the big bell peppers. I'm going to add in some chopped onions. In goes some minced garlic and some green seasoning. To this I'm going to go in with some peas that I have in my freezer. And now to start to season this. So to this I'm going to go in with some complete seasoning, and guys, use whatever seasoning you have on hand. Some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to go in with some black pepper, some salt goes in, and some uku or annatto powder, or you can use a tomato paste if you wanted to. And you're gonna give this a good mix. Make sure that it's well combined. Okay, once it's well combined, we're going to move over to our stove to cook this. So guys, for the pilau, you want to start with your pot on a medium heat, and to that I'm going to go in with some brown sugar. We want to allow the brown sugar to melt. You'll notice I don't stew with oil. The sugar is going to melt just fine. You don't need the oil.
So guys, look how the sugar is caramelizing. This is what you want. You want it to caramelize really lovely like this. And then you'll go in with your rice and soya mixture. Now, I missed that part of the recording, but at this point is when you add it in.
Okay, now let's go ahead and give this a mix. Perfect. Lovely color. So we're gonna allow this to fry up in here some more, because we want that color to develop. So after about 8 minutes of frying up in there, we're going to add in enough water or stock to help this cook. So I went in with my water first. Now I'm going to go in with some coconut milk, and I'm gonna give this a mix. And now we have to wait for this to come up to a simmer and for those rice grains to cook and get tender. So guys, the pilau is coming along really nicely. The rice grains are cooking, and this has like about 10-12 more minutes and then it will be done. If you like a really runny pilau, cook it to the consistency you would like, guys. So guys, after about 25 minutes of cooking, now it's time for me to go in with a piece of golden. Now golden is readily available here in South Florida at all of the Latin and Caribbean supermarkets. You can find it now. So if you guys are missing that flavor of golden in your cooking, definitely you need to check your local supermarket. So all I have to do is mix this in, taste it, and adjust the salt after the butter is mixed in, because it does contain salt. And then this is ready. As it cools, it's gonna thicken and the consistency will change slightly. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for a soya pilau for all of my vegetarian lovers out there. And remember, as I said guys, go get your golden once you can. It's available here in South Florida at all your Latin and Caribbean supermarkets. So if you guys make this, comment and let me know down below if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.